But if you're like me, you've got that one shaver that you just don't want to part with. I've replaced about 4 heads on this thing, but now I've got to replace the batteries. So you got these 2 screws right here. You got to push that up to get to that one screw. Pull this off. Then you've got these 2 batteries. Hopefully you've got a soldering gun, because we do have to unsolder and resolder some wires on here. So we're going to do that. Got a pair of pliers to kind of hold that in place. Fire up the soldering gun here. The one thing I would recommend, safety glasses. Anything can happen, and you don't want that hot solder flinging into your eyes. And when you get these things, it's going to have the negative and the positive, so you don't get them mixed up, because the ones that are on here are pretty small. Of course, that doesn't mean anything. And what I would recommend doing, especially for me, let's see, okay, this side here is the negative side. So what we're going to do is take this wire off and put it on the negative side of this battery. This way there's no chance of it getting mixed up, because oh wait a minute, I don't need to take that off. This is what I need. You know, that'll hold that where I can pull this off. Oh, almost got it out of there. There we go. Okay, we got the negative side off. Oh, I tell you. There we go. Got it. Okay. Okay. Golly bum. Hot dog. Okay. Hold that right there. Yeah. All right. Okay. All these wires bent over now, so they don't interfere with anything. Okay. Oh, I see. These two. Man, if I'd have known that, I could have pulled that out of there. Golly. Didn't even know that. Well, I do now. Okay. Slide that one in. We need something over here to protect that wire. And we need something over here to protect that wire, so we'll get some silicone. But first, let's see if the thing's even going to work. I mean, the battery should have a little bit of charge in there. Yep. It got charged and it's working. Good deal. Alrighty. There's that one. Okay. Well, it's going to take a while for this to dry. By tomorrow morning, or even this afternoon, we'll check it out. Okay, let's take this thing in there, put the 2 screws in it, we'll charge it up, and it'll be hopefully just like brand new.